And on this, today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to withdraw your profits as a reseller on the kdboosthub platform. So once you're on your dashboard over here, I want you to click on your store name over here, and then that is going to drop down this menu. So from that menu, I want you to click on withdrawals, and then wait for it to take you to the withdrawal page. And then from this withdrawal page, you are going to see a button over here which says request withdrawal. I want you to click on that. Then you can see over here the minimum that you can withdraw is 20 Ghana cedis. But right now we have 0 in our account, so we are not going to be able to withdraw. I'm just showing you how the process through which you can be able to do this. So once you've reached the minimum of 20 Ghana cedis, I want you to select your withdrawal method. It can either be MTM, TLS on bank transfer. So I'm going to be going to MTM. Then you enter your phone number that you want the withdrawal to be sent, and then click on submit request. So it is going to deny because right now I have insufficient withdrawable balance. So once you have amounts equal to 20 Ghana cedis or more, we are going to see a success message, and then within few minutes to hours, your withdrawal is going to be sent to your preferred withdrawal method. So that's pretty much it on how to withdraw your profit as a reseller on the kdboosthub platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then also like the video. And then if you have any kind of issues, don't forget to write it down in the comment sections. And then also, thanks for watching the video again. Have a nice day. Bye.